Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Law Statistics. Today's presentation is based on the topic social justice under Indian Constitution. The concept of social justice emerged out of a process of evolution of social norms, order, law, and morality. It laid emphasis upon the just action and creates intervention in the society by enforcing the rules and regulation based on the principles in accordance with social equality. The notion of justice is most commonly associated with an underlying assumption that justice equates to equal right, access, and fair treatment in the legal system. The concept of social justice is the necessary implication of welfare state. While these principles shall not be cognizable by any court in India, but they are nevertheless fundamental in the governance of the country and their application in the making of laws shall be the duty of the state. By the system of special provision for backward classes of society, it is to try to make the principle of equality more effective. Under Article 15, Clause 4, the state shall make any special provisions for socially and economically backward classes. There are other provisions in the Constitution which ensure the concept of social justice. One of that is Article 39, Clause F. To accept right to equality as an essential element of justice, Indian Constitution prohibits unequal behavior on the grounds of religion, race, caste, sex. But Constitution accept the strict compliance of formal equality will lead to inequality. These rights are protected in case of violation under Article 32 of the Constitution, which, in the view of Dr. Ambedkar, is the soul of the Constitution. There are two provisions in the Constitution that seek to achieve political equality. The use of social justice is accepted in wider sense, which includes both social and economic justice. The Constitution of India enshrined the concept of social justice according to Indian conditions. The term equality means the absence of special privileges to any section of the society and provision of adequate opportunities for all individuals without any discrimination. The preamble safeguards the equality of states and opportunity to all citizens of India. The words socialist and secular have been inserted in the preamble, which reflects the idea of social welfare states. Economic justice denotes on the non discrimination between people on the basis of economic factors. For depressed classes, seats in local and national assemblies were reserved from 1919 onwards. However, after Government of India Act 1935, the untouchables were designated as scheduled caste and the denomination spread in the province of British India. At the time of independence, the constitution makers were highly influenced by the feelings of social equality and social justice. For the same reason, they incorporated such provisions in the Constitution of India. Social justice is the foundation stone of Indian Constitution. Indian Constitution, the cornerstone of the nation, was intended to promote social transformation in view of Grenville Austin. 104 India was acquitted with positive discrimination even prior to independence in 1947. Though there is a remarkable progress in the economy since science and technology infrastructure development, but the gap between the rich and poor is widening day by day. That's all for today's presentation. Thank you and have a great day ahead.